Well, hi, Kat. Here is this grouping. I'll also send you a picture here from the front. I'm not sure why that didn't go through with the email. See the greens? There's some of that powder blue in there. You can explain to your husband what we discussed about how the lighting in this room doesn't do it any justice. I mean, it's just absolutely remarkable in natural light or at night. But it's hard not to get this glare. This is not what you'll see later when it's set up in your application. Of course, the spacing will be flexible. I don't think you'll want to go any closer than this, so you could spread it out. Those 3 columns in the middle you couldn't make any closer because the footing will fill up the distance in between there. I consider this the back side, the other side facing your house, but you'll be able to arrange these however you like, given that there are individual footings on each column. Show you what else we got here in case you're interested in seeing. The spacing isn't quite arranged there, that's just standing there, but that's one grouping. There's a big tall grouping, that's 85 inches tall. I may have shown you this fountain already. Your husband may be interested in the footing, the mechanics of it. Now you may be as well. But this is a brass ball valve submerged in the concrete footing. Brass comes to the outside here. This is another brass fitting that screws in. And we don't go to plastic until we're all the way out here, because if you had plastic coming out of here and somebody bumped it and broke it off inside there, then you have a hassle on your hands. So this is one that came, well, we had this set up for the Frederick Hospital. They're going to do a healing garden with 3 of our fountains in their healing garden. That's happening, commencing here real soon. But we had this fountain set up and flowing, and just took it apart and set it on the floor here in preparation of what's happening this weekend. So there's your masterpiece. I like it a lot. Let me know what you think, Kat.